Most women believe starting an online business requires three things. One, posting on social media all day. Two, becoming some kind of influencer. Or three, doing trendy things like dancing on TikTok. If you're a professional woman, the idea of doing any of those probably makes you cringe. It does to me. But here's the truth almost no one tells you. The most successful online businesses are not built on trends. They are built on experience, your knowledge, your career skills, your life lessons, your struggles, your transformations. Those things are far more valuable than you realize. And in this video, I'm going to show you how many women already have skills, knowledge, and life experiences that could easily turn into an online business. Hello, my name is Catherine. I am the founder of Breakout Life Coaching and Consulting, where I help women realize they have more options than the traditional career path they were taught to follow. On this channel, we talk about starting online businesses, using your skills and life experiences to create income, and helping women break out of careers that no longer serve them. If that sounds like something you need more in your life, make sure you subscribe. Now, let's talk about something that most women completely overlook. One of the biggest myths about starting an online business is that you have to become some kind of social media personality. But that's not what most online businesses actually are. An online business is simply this: taking what you already know and helping people through digital platforms. That's it. You're not trying to entertain the internet, you're solving problems. And the truth is, every woman watching this video has already solved problems in her life or career. And that includes you. Think about everything you've navigated: career challenges, personal struggles, life transitions, health changes, family responsibilities, learning new skills to survive difficult seasons. Those experiences have given you knowledge that someone else desperately needs. The internet simply gives you the ability to share that knowledge with more people. Once you understand that online businesses are about serving people, the opportunities become more clearer. You could help people through coaching, consulting, teaching a skill, mentoring people who are behind you in the journey that you're on, creating digital courses, hosting group coaching programs, offering strategy sessions, and creating digital tools, templates, or guides. The business is simply built around helping someone solve a problem faster. And most women already have experiences that could help someone do exactly that. Before I go further, if you're starting to think, maybe I do have experiences that could become a business, I created a free guide called Tap into Your Zone of Genius and Monetize It. It helps you identify the skills, knowledge, and life experiences you already have that could become a digital business. Because most women don't realize the value of what they already know. You can download the guide. The link is in the description below. Now, let's talk about something that surprises a lot of women. Many coaching businesses are built on life experiences, not formal credentials. Your journey can become guidance for someone else. Here are some examples. One, divorce or starting over. If you rebuilt your life after divorce, you could coach women navigating rebuilding confidence, rediscovering identity, financial independence, starting a new chapter. Women going through divorce are often looking for someone who has already made it on the other side. Now, two, it could be burnout recovery. If you experience burnout and had to rebuild your life or career, you could help women learn how to set boundaries, how to prioritize themselves again, how to avoid burnout in demanding careers. This is something millions of professional women are struggling with right now. The third thing is health or weight transformation. If you went through a personal health transformation, you could help and coach others through the exact same thing you were able to get a transformation. It could be mindset around health, building sustainable habits, accountability programs, or lifestyle transformation. People trust someone who has actually lived the transformation. Here's the fourth thing that you could really consider: caregiving for aging parents. If you've cared for aging parents or family members, you have insight many people desperately need. You could help others navigate emotional stress, planning and preparation, managing responsibilities, and caregiver burnout. That lived experience is incredibly valuable. Here's the fifth one: career reinvention. If you have pivoted careers, started over professionally, or left a toxic workplace, you could coach women through career clarity, confidence rebuilding, professional transitions, and navigating difficult workplace environments. Your story becomes a roadmap for someone else. Now, let's talk about something else many women just overlook. Your corporate experience could easily become consulting. Businesses constantly hire outside experts to help them improve. Let's say, for example, project management consultant. If you manage projects in your career, you could help businesses organize operations, manage launches, implement systems, or improve workflow. Small business owners struggle with structure. Your experience solving that problem becomes incredibly valuable. And here's another one: HR or leadership consulting. If you worked in HR or had leadership roles, you could help companies with employee onboarding, leadership development, communication strategies, improving workplace culture. These are services companies regularly pay for. You don't need to become someone else to start an online business. You don't need to dance on TikTok. You don't need to go viral. You just need to recognize this: your experience has value. And somewhere right now, someone is searching for the guidance that you already have. If this video made you start thinking about the experiences you could turn into a business, I created a guide, as I mentioned earlier. Tap into your zone of genius and monetize it. Be sure and get it. The link is in the description below, and it will help you to look at your skills, your knowledge, your experience that could become a digital business. Because the truth is, your next chapter may already be inside of you. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.